Hey guys, so Galaxy S22 series is expected to launch next year, but that doesn't stop us from receiving the leaks and rumors surrounding this phone. The latest news tells us that the Galaxy S22 series is expected to comprise of the vanilla Galaxy S22, the Galaxy S22 Plus and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The first two are set to get 4 color options and the last will reportedly get 3 color options. However, that could change since there is a lot of time for this phone to launch. But that's not the big news. You know how Galaxy S21 Ultra got the S Pen support this year, be it with an additional case to place it? Well, next year that's gonna change, at least for the S22 Ultra. We are going to get Note-like design with a dedicated S Pen slot. That's a huge relief for those who lost all hopes that they are ever gonna see a Note series phone again. Well, technically speaking, Note series is gone, but Galaxy S series is being merged with Note, bringing back the prominent Note features that every Note user likes. To be frank, Note series always had a special place, no matter what the Fold and Flip brings to the table. With its immense power and productivity capabilities, the Note devices are what have set a bar for other manufacturers to try and climb. Well, back to S22 Ultra, the renders arrived from a reliable source at OnLeaks who has a great track record. But another prolific leaker, Ice Universe, says he thinks that the back design is unreasonable. He further mentions that the side is not uniform and shows us how it should look. And finally tells us how he thinks the front should look like with his renders. Now as for me, I don't like the rear camera setup as shown by the renders of OnLeaks and would very much hope that Ice Universe is correct in this department. As for the rest of the design, well, I have no problem. According to OnLeaks partner Digit, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a 6.8-inch dual curved display with high refresh rate and high resolution. Moving on, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will reportedly have the same size 5000 mAh battery, so Samsung might have managed to figure out how to rearrange the phone's internals while making enough room to add the S Pen. Here are the dimensions with the maximum thickness of 10.5mm if you include the camera bump. So this is all we have for now. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Peace out.